In the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency, opportunities come and go faster than ever before. But every now and then, a project appears that captures the attention of investors, developers, and everyday users alike. One such project is Verasity, VRA, a blockchain platform designed to revolutionize how we consume video content and advertising on the internet. And now, the buzz around the community is all about the VRA Coin Airdrop, where participants can claim up to $15,000 worth of VRA tokens absolutely free. Sounds too good to be true? Don't worry. This guide will explain everything you need to know about it, step by step. What is Verasity VRA? Before jumping into the airdrop itself, it's important to understand what Verasity actually is. Verasity is a blockchain-based platform focused on video sharing, esports, and digital advertising. It aims to fix one of the biggest problems in online media today: fake views and ad fraud. Billions of dollars are wasted each year because advertisers pay for bots instead of real viewers. Veracity's solution is its patented technology called Proof of View, POV, a blockchain system that can verify if a video view is genuine or not. The project's ecosystem includes VRA Token, the official utility token used for rewards, staking, and transactions; Verasity.tv, a video platform similar to YouTube but powered by blockchain; Esports Fight Club, a platform for gamers to compete and earn rewards; Proof of View, technology that ensures real engagement and transparency. This makes VRA not just another cryptocurrency, but a real project with real use cases. What is an airdrop? If you're new to crypto, an airdrop is basically a free token giveaway. It's a marketing strategy where crypto projects distribute a portion of their coins to users to raise awareness and attract new supporters. Think of it as a digital try before you buy. In exchange, participants usually perform simple tasks, such as following social media pages, joining a Telegram group, or verifying their wallet address. And in this case, the VRA airdrop is offering up to $15,000 worth of tokens, depending on your participation level and referral performance. Why is Verasity doing this? Veracity's team knows that word of mouth is the most powerful form of promotion. By rewarding people for spreading the word, they create a win-win situation. Users get free tokens. Verasity gets more exposure and new community members. The project grows faster and the token gains value through wider adoption. It's a smart move, and one that's been used successfully by many blockchain projects before. Step 1. Prepare your wallet. Before you can claim any tokens, you'll need a crypto wallet that supports ERC20 tokens, since VRA operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Some recommended wallets include MetaMask, browser extension or mobile app; Trust Wallet, for Android and iOS, Coinbase wallet. Once you've set it up, copy your Ethereum wallet address. You'll need it later to receive your tokens. Step 2. Visit the official VRA airdrop page. Head to the official Verasity website or their verified airdrop portal. Always make sure it's the real one. Never click suspicious links. The airdrop page will contain all the details about the campaign, including the deadline, total token pool, and participation requirements. You'll usually see a button that says something like Join Airdrop or Start Now. Click it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Complete the required tasks. Most airdrops require users to perform simple actions to qualify. For the VRA airdrop, the typical tasks might include follow Verasity on Twitter or retweet the official airdrop post, join their Telegram or Discord community, subscribe to their YouTube or newsletter, submit your wallet address and email. Each completed action increases your chances or the amount of tokens you'll receive. Some campaigns even offer bonus tokens for inviting friends through a referral link. Step 4. Verify your entry. After completing all tasks, you'll usually be asked to verify your information, either through an email confirmation or a verification bot, for Telegram/Discord users. Once verified, your name is officially on the list of participants. Some airdrops distribute tokens immediately, while others send them after the campaign ends, usually within a few weeks. Step 5. Check your wallet. After the distribution date, open your wallet and look for the VRA token balance. If it doesn't appear, you may need to manually add the token by entering its contract address, which can be found on Veracity's official website or on Etherscan. Once added, you'll see your new VRA tokens. And congratulations! You've successfully claimed your share of the airdrop. How much can you really earn? The headline number, $15,000, is usually the maximum reward for top participants or those who refer the most people. For regular users, the amount will likely range from $50 to $500, depending on how active you are and how early you join. Still, even $50 in free crypto isn't bad for just a few minutes of work. Step 6. What can you do with VRA tokens? Once you have your tokens, you can hold, HODL, and wait for their value to increase. Stake them on Veracity's staking platform to earn passive income. Trade them on crypto exchanges like KuCoin, Gate.io, or Uniswap. Use them within the Verasity ecosystem for watching videos, gaming, or advertising. Important tips for staying safe. While airdrops are exciting, the crypto world is full of scams. Always keep these golden rules in mind. Never share your private key or recovery phrase. The official team will never ask for it. Double-check URLs. Always verify you're on the real Veracity website or official social media. Avoid paying fees. Legit airdrops are always free. If someone asks for payment, it's a scam. Use a separate wallet for airdrops. It's safer than using your main one. Why you shouldn't miss this airdrop. The VRA project has real-world use cases and a growing community. In the crypto world, early adopters often benefit the most. Think about projects like Uniswap, Arbitrum, or Blur. Their airdrops turned early participants into thousandaires overnight. Even if the rewards aren't huge at first, they could become significant if the project succeeds and the token's value rises. And since it's free to join, you have nothing to lose and potentially a lot to gain. Final thoughts. The VRA Coin Airdrop is more than just a giveaway. It's a chance to become part of a promising blockchain ecosystem focused on real, measurable value in the world of video and advertising. By following the steps in this guide, setting up your wallet, completing the official tasks, verifying your entry, and staying alert for scams, you can easily secure your share of VRA tokens. So, don't wait too long. Airdrops like this don't last forever, and the earlier you join, the better your rewards could be. Who knows? Maybe this is your first step toward earning your own slice of the future, one that could be worth up to $15,000.